Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer Cheez chicken tenders. Let's begin. We'll prepare the seasoning first. We'll need half tablespoon of salt, half tablespoon of garlic powder, half tablespoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and lastly 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. There you go. Take everything and mix it all together. Looking good, it's nicely mixed together. We're going to put that to the side. We have here some extra cheesy Cheez-Its. And let's take them out. There we go. We're going to open up the bag just a little bit. There we go. So we can let some of the air out. Next, we're going to crush up the Cheez-Its. There we go, we crushed it all up. We're going to pour the Cheez-It into a bowl. There we go. We're going to save the rest for later if we need it. We have here some mayonnaise and we're going to take some out. Scoop out some of the mayo. You want enough to coat the chicken tenders. There we go. We have enough to coat the chicken tenders. If you need more, you can add more later. We have here 14 ounces of chicken tenderloins, and let's take them out. First, we're going to add some seasoning to the chicken tenderloins. Just sprinkle it on top. There we go. We're going to flip them over and do the same thing. Okay, we season both sides of the chicken tenderloins. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. We're going to take the chicken tenderloins and dip it into the mayo. Make sure to get a nice coating on it. There we go. And then we're going to dip it into the Cheez-Its. There we go. That's one. Last one. This is what it looks like before we put it in. And now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button. And we're going to preheat it to 370 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 370 degrees. Let's put in the chicken tenderloins. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 370 degrees. For a total time of 16 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 8 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's flip them over. Now flip them over. There we go, we flipped them all over. And now let's put it back in for the last 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 16 minutes at 370 degrees. And take them out. For the dipping sauce, we have here some Sweet Baby Ray's chicken sauce. And we're going to pour some out. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer Cheez-It chicken tenders. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here. Have a bite, and thanks for watching.